man, what are you doing? That's littering and it makes the world dirty. You should be recycling this.
I guess I didn't think about that.
Yeah, think about it. If something like this ends up in a body of water, a fish or turtle can seriously hurt themselves on these kinds of things.
Oh man, I really like turtles. Thanks for the help.
Hey kiddo, where have you been?
Well, I was hanging out with Cash, and why are there plastic bottles in the garbage? What are we doing with the plastic bottles?
You're throwing them out.
Why? Shouldn't we recycle these bottles? Stuff like this can end up in the ocean and hurt the animals that live in the ocean.
You know what, Joe? That is a really good point. Let's go get a bag and make sure all of those bottles end up in recycling. In this skit, we chose to focus on the Jewish value of Tikkun Olam, which means repairing the world.
Well, in this skit, we focused on recycling. There are many ways to repair the world. Planting trees, picking up garbage, and recycling is just a few ways we can help repair the world.